Yeah. So here we are, Jackson. At Paultons Park. Who are we? Yeah, round to the left. 10:30 they open. Yeah. So this is like a flying coaster. Jackson. Yeah. It's a Velociraptor. This is a Velociraptor. Yeah, we're gonna go on. So Jackson, how was it? Was it really good? Oh, there you go. We have a review there of Jackson. Loved that. I think he really enjoyed that. Oh. No. So just going to go on a Velociraptor. Which is a little boomerang. Jackson's first time in this one. I think he'll be a bit surprised on this. He actually loved Flight of the Pterosaur.
You missed it.
Jackson's a little bit scared of this one. Hello. Oh, there's another one around here. They look so real, these dinosaurs, they scare the children. This one's not working around here. Come on, go and get mummy. Get mummy. Go and take mummy. It's not moving, it's fine. So this is what's great about Paultons Park. They put a lot of effort into their theming. You've walked around the corner and Jackson's just jumped. He didn't realise there was a dinosaur there.
As once Velociraptor has them, they cannot be retrieved. Now, prepare yourself to.
Oh, it's number 30. Number 30. Wow. Floor goes down. Do you want to hold my hand? Yeah? Shall we put them in the air? We're not even on the back row. Put your hand in the air. Whoa! Stops. Ready? Steady. Whee! Whee! Oh, and we're going up. Yeah, he's loving this. Oh! Oh! Did you enjoy that? Jackson? No, it's not going again. Did you enjoy it? We go on later. So this is Jackson's first coaster, Dino Chase. First ever coaster when he was 2. It's been 2 years since we've been here. So Jackson's going on this one.
No, I don't.
Oh, I'm nervous.
No, I don't.
It's not holding me hand. Hands in the air. Oh! I'll put my hands in front of the camera. Ready, steady. Whoa! Air time! Ready, steady. Arms in the air. Ready, arms in the air. Whee! Oh! Was that good fun, Jackson? Oh! Jack. Isn't it? His mouth actually does move. It's just massive. So
You saw him on the right, didn't you?
there we go. There's a flight of pterosaur going. "35 metres in length." There we go. Get you a bit of velociraptor going. Get Jackson on there again later. Get him on the back row. So it comes back up here. I've got change. T-Rex hiding in the bushes. His wiggly wobbly tongue. And then there's a little ride here, Boulder Dash. It looks like the boulders hit each other, which is good fun.
Yeah, there you go. Just give a quick shake, make sure it's look. That's it.
What's this called? The Dino
Guys,
Tour.
how's it going? You guys ever been on a dino safari before? Well, sit back and prepare to be totally blown away. Quick, yeah, you're right. That's a Myosaurus. She's got a nest, look. With eggs in it. Whoa! Did you hear that? Crikey! That sounded mighty close. Okay, so I know I may come across as a fearless, intrepid explorer. Deep down, I'm a safety measure. So please remain seated, keep your arms and legs in the car at all times. You're talking about safety. Here's my arrow. Good job I have my belt on. It was a bit of a bumpy landing.
That doesn't work.
If you quick, look to the right over here. Can you see it? It's just got a bit. Check out the magical waterfall. It is said that this spring has been running since the Cretaceous period. That's about 100 million years ago in old money. This fine looking dino is an iguanodon.
Wanna go?
Hello. take it. Give it to me. That's our security guy. He takes pics of everyone that plants them on the wall and outpost 12 for all to see. Now this is a very special place. There's a couple of raptors have decided to nest inside this huge tunnel. Look to the left in that recess. There's an egg. Wow. Is that baby that's just this is incredible. A ranch for all of us. Oh, keep it fella anyhow. Check him out. Wasn't expecting that. Let's get out here.
Oh, look.
It is an Albertosaurus. He originally lived in Canada over 70 million years ago. You'll note he's got a head full of sharp teeth, so probably resides near the top of the food chain. Now these fellas to the left are ornitholestians, or they're bird eaters. But these two look like they've had a bit of a fallout. So in the interest of my safety, and yours of course as well, I'm going to head us out of here, Bronner.
Come see Tina.
Well, enjoy the rest of your day, folks.
Wasn't